You can make this stir fry in any large pan, or a frying pan, or a wok. For this one, we're just going to use a large deep-sided pan. Pop your oil into the bottom of the pan. You need about a tablespoon. Move the pan to coat the bottom with the oil. To test that the oil is hot enough, drop in just one piece of onion. If there's no reaction, give it another 30 seconds. You can see this is bubbling, so we're ready to add the spring onion to the pan. Give this a mix and turn down the heat slightly if it becomes too fierce. We're going to cook the spring onion just for a couple of minutes quickly, moving around constantly. At this point, you want your hob to be on a medium to high heat. We're now ready to add the remaining ingredients. We're using some carrots, some celery, some yellow and red pepper, some courgettes, some mushrooms, and some spring greens or cabbage. Once these are all added to the pan, keep moving the vegetables around. If you were going to be using ginger, you'd be adding it at this point. We're going to literally cook that for 2 to 3 minutes before we add the remaining ingredients. Now you're ready to add your soy sauce and your sweet chilli sauce. You want about a teaspoon of each. Then add the lime. Just squeeze half a lime into the pan. Give that a quick mix. And cook for a further 3 to 4 minutes. You're now ready to add the noodles straight to the pan. Break these up with your fingers as you go. This avoids clumps. Now add the coriander, a good pinch of fresh coriander into the pan. Give this a good mix. We're going to add about a good teaspoon of some mixed seeds. This creates a bit of texture to the dish. Keep moving the food around the pan and cook for another 2 minutes. It's important to make sure that the noodles are thoroughly hot. Your stir fry is now ready to serve. Turn off the heat and pop into a bowl. Enjoy.